First up, let's get paint in our cup. So what we want to do is we're going to get white first. Next up, I've got cobalt blue. I'm just going to pour it right down the sides here. Just like that. Maybe we'll do a little more. I'd say it's flowing like warm honey. That's what I was going for. Next is Pale Terracotta by Winsor Newton. All right, and then we've got Hooker Green. I'm trying to make this pure Michigan was what I was going for. I really want to do like something that's Michigan-ish. So I'm looking for a Michigan look to this. I try to keep it thick enough here that it's going to be beautiful, but yet not so thick that the colors are all going to, or so it's going to be hard to do. So we're going to okay, this is Payne's Gray. This is Waterfall by This Little Piggy. That's what I'm going to put out. Okay. And we've got gold. Okay. And then more white on top of that. All right, fingers crossed. Now, if I would have had a cup, I think that would have a little point on it that I could squeeze down, that would be better, but I didn't have one that big. So we're just living with what we got here. Beautiful so far. We're in no hurry. Wow, I mean, this paint is moving beautifully. I put some This Little Piggy in there and I can already see that shining. Okay, let's see. I like it to keep as much of the integrity of the pour as I can without it getting too stretched out. So I'm just going to keep moving it. Okay. Now let's give it just a little spin here. Okay. Oh, so beautiful. Paint's coming off, you can see. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Beautiful. I love that I don't have any pops of the pillow coming through. That's nice, of the, those white specks that get all over it. Oh, beautiful. I love the clean corners right now. Let's move it a little more. We have a lot of paint on it still. Beautiful. Ooh, pretty. Beautiful. Now when I spin, that should settle in to the mix. So next up, we're going to just keep going here. I want to get this corner moving off. Come on, go. Bring it back. So beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful. I love this, you guys. It came out beautiful. The Brulee from This Little Piggy is starting to settle into the paint and just look like specks all over it, which is giving it a galaxy look. I can't wait to see how that turns out. But I love this. I'm going to do a flyover so you can see it. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, what a beautiful ring pour. We lost some of our definition from the tilting and moving, but I don't even mind that because it looks so beautiful. This is the first ring pour I've done in a while, so I'm super happy. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.